how to zoom in and out on YouTube. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you quickly and easily how you can zoom in and out on YouTube. So we're going to go in and you can see that there's a video over here. We're going to tap on this video. Let us just put our volume down for a second, and as you can see, it's playing through. Now if you want to zoom in and out, I'm going to just pause it real quick. All you have to do is, as you would zoom in on any image or video on your mobile device, you can just put two fingers down and you can pull them apart, and as you can see, there's a counter now and it is saying that it is zooming in at that rate, and you can actually zoom in quite a bit. Now depending on the resolution that you're watching in, you can get a pretty good zoom in over here. And this is actually possible on a device, a desktop or a laptop as well. The application is slightly different, but you can use your default Windows key and the plus and minus keys up on the top right hand side, which is just past your row of numbers, and this basically allows you to zoom in and out onto anything on your desktop, including when you are in a full screen video on YouTube. So all you have to do is hold in the Windows key and tap the plus key to zoom in and the minus key to zoom out. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to zoom in, you want to get that frame, you want to get that shot, you can do that on your mobile device on YouTube. You can do it also on your desktop. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Cheers for now, guys.